In this video, I'm going to go through how to add a border color, like these ones here, into your table report. So these border colors are based off of the status field, as you can see. So the first thing that you need to do in order to set this up is to add in the value style. So a value style is one where the styling and the color of, in this example, the border will be based off of a value of a field. So we're using a value style because we want the border to be based off of the value of the status. So depending on whether you have used a RAG or RAGBB multi-state, so this is red, amber, green, or red, amber, green, blue, black status field, this will determine which values you need to put into the value style section. So for a red, amber, green, blue, black, you need to have all of the options here: red, amber, green, blue, black, and unset. So for each of these, make sure that there are no spelling mistakes and make sure that it is capital letter for the first letter and then lowercase for the rest, because it is case sensitive. And then this is an example of if you were just to do the red, amber, green. You could also have the unset in there as well, but if you'd rather it just show as plain if it's unset, then you don't need to include it. So you would go through, name this, add in each of the values here, and then when you do this, if I give an example, you would go through to the color and you can slide this section here to find the correct color that you want. So once you have saved this, you can now go into the app that you are wanting the border on. So this is the one that we are going to do. Find the correct table report and open it up. So what you will need to do is scroll down into named styles. So I've already got it here, but I'll show you how to do it from scratch. So you add a named style, and then you click drop down here and you will see any named styles that are applicable. So we want the RAGBB section. The element is the border. So that is the small section at the side of the table report there. And then the source field, this is where the value is coming from. So we want the status field, and press OK. So once you have saved and published, you will then be able to see the border along the side of the report here. So you can use this for multiple different fields. So you could use it for the status field, or if you have an image list with a specific value, you can add the value to the named style. And then this will mean that the records are color-coded by that particular image list. And overall, it makes the table report a lot more interesting to look at and aesthetically pleasing. We hope this has helped. Thank you.